Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this new windshield wiper from RainX. It's the RainX Latitude 26-inch windshield wiper. So, very nice packaging, as you can see. It's rainy season now, so make sure you all replace your old windshield wipers. Be safe out there. Let me see. Try to find the best way to open this. Up top, I think. Yep. Here we go. That's the best way. Boom. Let's get this out. Wow. Wow. Oops, sorry guys. Wow, it's beautiful. Take this off, the yellow strip, after I install it. Yep, that's it. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can buy this from. And I will see you all for the next unboxing video. Take care out there in the rain, everyone. Later.